K's garage, where today I'm working on the engine for my 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. So far, I pulled out of the car and started the teardown, but now it's time to mount it on the engine stand. Stay tuned as I finish the rebuild.
So for those of you that watched my last episode, you noticed that my engine stand head would not mount onto the engine properly. So I had one fabbed up here to mount on, which also allows me to use a starter to test run the engine on the stand. Hi guys, for anyone wondering how the engine stand was made, I had my dad take an old transaxle that was garbage. He gutted it, cut it in half, used the back half, and mounted it onto this head plate that he had machined up. Plates were laser cut to fit the transaxle, and they were welded onto this big circle plate here, which was welded onto 2 3/8 tubing, which fit inside my engine stand that I had in the garage already. Hi guys, Justin here. I just had my dad custom make a engine mount, and this will allow me to get the engine on there, built, put the starter on, fire it up, and test run and tune it on the stand instead of in the car. So anyway, so far it's mounted on. I stripped it down mostly. There it is. And I keep working away this afternoon to pull the heads and the cylinders off. Stay tuned. Time to call her quits for now. So far I got the head off one side and it doesn't look very nice, all carboned up. That's it for now. Keep carrying on later on tonight and try to get it right torn down to the block. Well guys, that's it for this weekend. I'm almost there. Got the block stripped down to just the block with the crank and rods. Anyways, time to take it off the stand throughout the week and get on the bench over there and pull that crank out, take the rods off, take the bearings out, and start cleaning up and ready for reassembly. Stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.